I've just unpacked a large Nature Sunshine order and found 4 products we haven't talked about yet, 2 Chinese formulas and 2 single herbs. Nature Sunshine's Chinese herbal combinations are based on 5,000 years of Chinese herbal tradition. Traditional Chinese medicine, also called TCM, which includes the use of herbal medicine, continues to provide primary health care throughout Asia, even in these modern times. ALC is one of Nature Sunshine's traditional Chinese medicine formulas. It is considered to be a metal formula. The metal element in TCM philosophy is related to the colon, lungs, and mucous membranes. Specifically, ALC, also known as Breathe Activator in the US, is a combination of traditional Chinese medicine ingredients designed to relieve excess conditions. It provides nutritional help to support healthy lung function. It helps increase the flow of mucus to remove toxins, and it works throughout the entire respiratory tract. It enhances feelings of well-being. The therapeutic principle for relieving the excess metal element is called xuanfei, which can be translated to mean ventilate the lungs. Breathe Activator, or IMM-C, provides nutritional compounds long known to be of benefit to the respiratory system. The combination of ingredients may help the bronchioles to clear waste and maintain lung health. It also encourages the production of mucus to aid in the cleansing of the respiratory tract. Specifically, citrus peel and schizandra support the body's efforts to clear waste from the respiratory system and enhance energy in the lungs. According to TCM, metal people can be guarded and seem aloof. They don't express feelings and shield themselves from sorrow, disappointment, and pain. The second TCM formula that I unpacked today is IMM-C, also known as Trigger Immune in the USA. Energy, which is known as qi in traditional Chinese medicine, is the vital force that activates every function and drives every process in the human body, both voluntarily and involuntarily. Nurturing your qi through supplementation and good lifestyle practices encourages all of your elements to be in balance while helping you feel energetic, content, and refreshed. Your qi is the driving force of optimal health and wellness, and IMM-C Trigger Immune TCM combination is a combination of highly concentrated herbs designed to support natural immunity. According to traditional Chinese medicine, this formula is designed to strengthen a weakened constitution. Its Chinese name, Sheng Mai, can be translated to mean generate the pulse. This TCM formula is designed to strengthen a weakened energy constitution. In TCM, this formula is known to strengthen the metal element, but it also strengthens wood, earth, fire, and water elements as well. Now on to the single herbs for today. Slippery elm grows widely throughout North America. The bark contains the mucilage that makes a slippery elm a slippery substance when combined with water. This mucilage is very soothing to the mucous membranes of the digestive tract and the intestinal systems. Slippery elm contains up to 50% mucilage. It soothes inflamed mucous membranes of the gastrointestinal tract and reduces inflammation and irritation to those mucous membranes. Slippery elm is also very nourishing. George Washington's army reportedly survived a winter at Valley Forge by living on slippery elm gruel. The second single herb today is rosehips. Now, rosehips are the dried fruit of roses, most of which are derived from the dog rose or Rosa canina family. Rosehips contain the antioxidant vitamin C and bioflavonoids. I like to use rosehips as an all-round nutritional base for the maintenance of good health. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you again soon.